SandStar is a professionally cared for, 4-cabin owner's version 2009 Lagoon 500 cruising the beautiful waters of Belize. SandStar is fully equipped with most factory options in addition to many recent upgrades. For example, the standing, running rigging and Mack sails were replaced in 2017. This impressive cat has never suffered any storm damage, is fully kitted and ready to sail away. She also has 900 amps of lithium batteries, a watermaker, a custom hardtop Bimini over the flybridge with weather protection panels, solar panels over the davits and above the flybridge. The bench seat on the flybridge can seat up to 8 people, and we have electric winches. The electronics on SandStar were updated to Garmin in 2017 and the helm chartplotter in 2020. She also has custom davits for the dinghy with an electric winch, natural teak in the forward and aft cockpits, with a sink and fridge at the cockpit bar area. The Lagoon 500 really has the largest saloon in its class. The owner's stateroom in the starboard aft cabin features a settee, a queen-size island berth, and a private ensuite head with separate shower. The split galley features a 4-burner cooktop, separate oven, 2 fridges and 2 freezers, 3 deep sinks as well as a dishwasher. The starboard forward VIP cabin, also with an ensuite head. In the port hull, we have a washing machine, additional refrigeration and freezers, as well as 2 more VIP suites. All air conditioned, of course. All of these are electric flush heads. (11 kW Onan Cummins generator, 75 horsepower Yanmar diesel engines with dual filters, and upgraded SD60 sail drives. For more details, call, text, or email Carolyn at multihullcompany.com, 954-328-9149.